So I've had my door panel off to swap out a window. Now, it's got this crazy door that's just got me curious. So I took the screws off and I'm going to take a look behind it for the first time. Okay, it's just a cover. Looks like it's got a rubber gasket, but it doesn't match the rest of the car. But the real reason I needed to take it off is because when I swapped the window, some things went inside the door. There could be some deep treasures in this car, but so that came out of my donor window. So behind my power window, I'm just going to tilt this camera back here. Oh, what's this? We got some markings. Let's try to go behind, tip it up. Whatever's in there, I'm going to reach in there and have a look. There's this little spot at the end that I can't stick my finger through. Here's a hole. Alright, enough. Thankfully, my power window motor works well. Looks pretty ancient. Let's just look up just for fun. Ooh, that's to keep you from dying when someone hits you from the side. So if you ever wanted to see what the inside of a Corvette door looks like, now you know. I'm going to tilt it back this way and we're going to look up. Pretty exciting, huh? No. Oh, one last thing. So this little spot down here, 4 bolts for the door hinge attachment to the door, and then that's what this cover must be for the upper inner hinge bolts. I've never taken a Corvette door off of a car, but you know, you probably want to start with these and unhooking that power if you've got a power window, because since the front fenders basically glue onto the car, maybe that's why they made it that way. Woohoo!